Good students, today we will study about differentiate and its derivative, which is very important. For this, some important formulas are to calculate and solve it. Before it, I have taught you about some formulas from 1 to 5. Formulas are completed in serial number 2nd before it. But today we will study from some rest formulas, which is as case first, case second, and 1 to 5th cases I have taught you in about serial number 2. Today start a rest formula starting from case 6. Okay, student? In case second, d upon dx log a to the power x. D upon dx log a to the power x. Okay, then here this derivative is 1 by x log e to the power a. Okay, students? D upon dx log a to the x is equal to 1 by x log e to the power a. Okay, students? A to the power e, log a to the power e. During the differentiating of this quantity or number, we get 1 by x log a to the power e. This is a good formula. Okay, students? On this basis, I give you an example. You, as here, differentiate log 10 to power x. Y is equal to log 10 to power x. Differentiate it. Okay, then for this solution, y is equal to log 10 power x, 10 to the power x, log base 10 to the power x, differentiating with respect to x, both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to d upon dx log 10 to the power x. We get during the differentiating on this formula we get 1 by x log 10 to the power e. Okay student, here dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log 10 to the power e, which is answer. Okay student, after this I give you next example y is equal to 7. Next example 2. Differentiate y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7 x power minus 2 by 7. 7 x power minus 2 by 7 plus 7 x power minus 2 by 7 plus log 2 power x plus log 2 power x. Okay students, solution. Differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to 7 d upon dx x power minus 2 by 7 plus d upon dx log 2 power x. Okay students, we write here 7 d upon dx x power minus 2 by 7, we write here minus 2 by 7 and x power minus 1 minus 7 or right here minus 2 by 7 minus 1. Okay student, and here d upon dx log 2 to the power x, we write here 1 by x log 2 to the power e, log 2 to the power e by formula, by this formula. And here 7 cancel 7, minus 2 x power minus 9 by 7, and here differentiating d upon dx of x, 1 by x log 2 to the power e. Here minus 2 x power minus 9 by 7, this value is 1. This value is 1. Dx by dx, dx by dx is equal to 1. Okay student, then we get plus 1 by x log 2 to the power e, which is answer. Okay student, these type questions you can solve by this method. After this, case 7. Case 7. Case 7. In this case, d upon dx sin x is equal to d upon dx sin x is equal to cos x. Okay, student? On this basis, I give you some example as here differentiate y is equal to sin x. Y is equal to sin x. Okay, student? Then we get here differentiate y is equal to 3x. Differentiating with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to 3d upon dx sin x. We get here 3 to d upon dx sin x cos x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 3 cos x. Answer. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve by this method. Okay, student, and after some times I give you another example y is equal to another example y is equal to e to the power x plus y is equal to e to the power x plus log e x square. Log e or x square. Log base e to the power x square plus, in this case we write here 5 sin x. Differentiate it. Differentiate. Here differentiating with respect to x both sides. Then we get dy by dx is equal to d upon dx e to the power x plus d upon dx log e x square plus 5 d upon dx sin x. Okay, student? Here dy by dx is equal to, here minus e to the power minus x by the formula, and this is right here x square 2 e to the power x. Okay, student? 2 e to the power x we can write here. Okay, student? Log e x square 2 log e to the power x. 2 log by the formula here. Log e to the power x by the formula, and here and 2 and d upon dx of log e to the x, and here 5 sin x cos x. D upon dx log e to the power x square, and here minus e to the power minus x plus 2 d upon dx log e to the power x is equal to 1 by x. Log e to the power x 1 by x plus 5 cos x. Then we get e to the power minus x 2 by x plus 5 cos x, which is answer. Which is answer. Okay student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay students, after this question number 8. Case 8. Case 8 in this type, d upon dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay student, on this basis I can solve some example for this. Okay student, here sin x differentiate y is equal to sin x cos x plus 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to x both sides, then we get dy by dx is equal to d upon dx sin x plus d upon dx cos x plus d upon dx 2. Okay student, here d upon dx sin x cos x, its value is cos x, and d upon dx cos x we find minus sin x plus d upon dx. 2 is the constant. You know that here 2 into 1 we can write 2x power 0, then differentiate 2 into d upon dx x power 0, then we here 0 minus 1, the value 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Thus the value of d upon dx of 2 is equal to 0. Then we write here this value is 0. Here we write cos x minus sin x, which is answer, dy by dx. Okay student, this is the answer. On this basis you can solve these types of questions. Okay student, and other example as example 2, differentiate y is equal to root x, y is equal to root x plus cos x. Differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to y with respect to x. Both sides, then we get dy by dx root x is equal to, we can write exponent power. Surds rule or surds rules we can write in the exponent form x power 1 by 2, because order is found order 2 here. Here x is equal to 1 by 2, or we can write here d root x d upon dx x power 1 by 2 plus d upon dx cos x. Okay student, here dy by dx is equal to x power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1 we can write, and here cos x d upon dx cos x minus sin x. Okay student, here we write here 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 from during the calculation we get 1 by minus 1 by 2, and here plus minus multiplication of plus minus we get minus sin x, which is answer. Okay student, rest after this rest formula I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.